guys, hello my amazing people. Good morning. Okay, I just want to quickly jump into this video because my fans called me and she explained some things and she was scared. Okay, so when I tell her, say, see, you need to be happy, say this thing even happened, like see, okay, she was like, wow, she don't know say na better thing I happen. Okay, the thing be say garlic, a prayer garlic con dey germinate, like it con dey grow. Okay, so she dey scared, she dey like, boss mom, my prayer garlic con dey grow. Now I tell am say yes. Now I can even show am one, say yes, if your prayer garlic dey grow, if your prayer garlic inside your prayer pot they grow, then you need to know say your testimony dey on the way. She was like, really? I think so maybe as they grow there is bad something. No, as an African mom or as an African woman, okay, your prayer be say make your tree get fruit. Your prayer be say make wetin you dey get, wetin you dey do get fruits. So as it be say your garlic, your prayer garlic start to dey germinate, start to dey grow, as you dey see am here, then make you know say na great testimony. Okay, yeah, na great testimony. Okay, that's this year go dey fruitful, blessful, and everything for you. Okay, anything you dey do go dey prosper. Wetin he mean like this? And also, if your salt, when I tell you, start to dey big under your pillow, then you should be grateful and be happy. Okay, no, you don't need to call boss mom. Once you just see your fruit, your salt done the big, wait, make I show you some. Okay guys, my son dey sleep. I for show you my my pillow salt. Okay, maybe another video I go see show you. All right, Sam, you see when your salt done the big, then you should know, then you go know say you are great. Okay, this is the salt I'm talking about. If you want to know more about the salt, go to my previous video. Yeah, one thing about YouTube, when they tell una something to do, una know they do. If you go my page, just 1 second when I'll teach some for my private chats, they do am. Hey, not go there. They do am because they know the menu say will be Africa. Okay, they know say will be Africa. So guys, I know say you wanna remember this salt. This salt I used and do video the other time. Go to my previous video, you go see this salt when it dey full pack. Then look the video, look how many months I do them. Then you go know how many months this salt don't dey now. Now let this one remain. Okay, this salt is different from the salt you used to cook, or maybe some people use and they cook. Different from salt so you take they cook. Okay, this is Africa salt because now the baby salt. This one if you put on for food, then you go catch your food tire. But this is a prayer salt. Okay, it's a prayer salt, guys. So look, when I don't see look that my previous video, make you see how many months this salt don't dey now. They go make you know say box mom is not lying. You see? Yeah. So guys, and inside here you go still see inside my salt. I have inside my salt, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I have my blue eyes. Yeah, I make my blue eyes myself. Okay, I don't buy blue eyes where they don't make. I know they buy. I dey make them myself and purify them and satisfy them myself. Okay, as an African woman, yes, the world is full of evil that you need spiritual backup even as a Christian. And your spiritual backup, not saying a bad thing they use and do. Now just to obey your forefathers' order. Okay, that's so it be. And apart from that one, stop baby. Sorry guys, now say I cover here because my daughter dey here, they sleep. You know, say anywhere where I dey 90 day, you know what me mama run. So she dey here. Okay, just look inside this place. You go see my blue eyes and you go see my cowries. Okay, yes. You will see my blue eyes and you go see my cowries. I don't know if you can see. You need a column. It me go Yeah, guys. Even God not tell you say make you not obey your tradition. God not tell you say make you not they do some tradition to purify yourself or to come out bad luck or bad things for yourself. God only tell you say no use your tradition or your culture for evil activities. Okay, yes, as an Africa, even if you worship God once in a while, especially Europe, you know, background where we Africa for the come deep past our thinking. Okay, once in a while, follow some spiritual activities you see online. But as far as they not tell you say can't do sacrifice, yes. As far as they not tell you say can't do anything, follow some spiritual backup to purify yourself, to purify and sanctify yourself from some spiritual background and things where they happen for your spiritual place. Okay, look my previous video on salt and garlic, how to put salt and garlic, like the power of salt and garlic, how to use them. Look at me, then my previous video, you go see I'm there. And also bay leaf, I've talked about bay leaf, okay, and you can see bay leaf inside here. Yes, and I also tell you, Una, say this is my spiritual cup. It's a beautiful cup, but it's my spiritual cup, okay? And I don't joke with ancient cup, like all this kind old cup. I know they joke with a novice. Okay, you see the garlic. So if you don't have garlic at home, try and get garlic to do some spiritual bathing. Okay, if you get garlic and salt take away bad energy. And if you don't pray for something, you know they happen, use and bath. And if you be person where spiritual cause don't fair follow, yeah, spiritual cause fit dey inside you, but you not go know as a person. You go be like, oh, why am I praying? My prayers are not getting answered. Why am I doing this? Nothing is working. Yes, you know, now we not know anything about tradition. And for me, I'm a good Christian, a very good Christian. Nothing say you know Christianity past me. If not be smart, my dad for be pastor, you understand? And if I pray for you, Holy Ghost go carry you. But you see my Africa things, I know they use and play. There are a lot of Africa things you can use as a mom to drive away bad energy, drive away bad luck. These things you don't even need to go to spiritual place to get it. You get it in your supermarket. So that's to tell you these things are just natural, that you need it. Okay, you need it. These things are natural things where you need for yourself. So why depriving yourself from it? Call your grandmom, call your mom, ask her what is salt. What is salt? What's the power of salt? Then you know how powerful you are as an African woman. Okay, these are things you just do and you are good to go. I promote momhood. Then I should be able to promote my spirituality lifestyle with you. The Bible not tell you say forget tradition. Even the herbs, everything what we dey see na God create them. He create them for more we use them for ourselves. You understand? So nothing say, oh, you're doing this, you're like, no. And you manifest a lot through those things. I know my fans where you don't give testimony say, hey, boss mom, like play, my guy, eh? You know they use my matter play again. Yes. Okay, I tell one make it burn so candle inside water, and they call the husband name. Immediately she do am. She said, boss mom, you be wish. You understand? Yeah. But carry and come YouTube now. YouTube has not go value am. They go they look you bold. See guys, just be happy anytime when you follow my step. Any step I give you, anytime when you follow am, be happy. Okay, be happy. Especially that's your salt when you put under your pillow. You can't notice say they big. Dance is very, very nice. Okay, and also my garlic. Oh Jesus, anytime when garlic can they grow like this, you are fruitful in everything you do. Yes, no man will cut your glory short. Okay, no man. And if you get ancient calls, will follow you entire Europe. Even if they use mirror, they monitor you. You bath from heart. If you see and say the thing pass your power, grind your garlic. Grind am, use grater, grate down. Turn am inside your water, use am bath. That monitoring spirit where they follow you go die. Good things go begin to happen. Garlic, they drive bad things. If you get bad friend, you go surprise say your friend not they call you again. Not be their fault. You go surprise say people come they gossip you, people not call like you again. Not be their fault. You don't try. You don't start a new lifestyle. We say their energy go they go. I don't joke with things. And they are very cheap. This salt, I don't think is up to €1. They are very cheap. Maybe garlic is €2. They are so cheap. So cheap. Okay? My spiritual pot remains me. My spiritual life remains me. If you dey face hard time, you don't dey pray, no work. Pull your clothes. Remove your hairnet, remove your earring. Some people say, boss mom, you know they wear earring these days. What's happen? I wear earring when I want to do fashion. As you see me so. I wear earring when I want to do fashion. Be spiritual wife to yourself. As you did, they pray for your husband. As so side chick, they want corner. Do a lot of things in a spiritual way. Some of una clothes where devil don't wear una. No be small. Oh, I don't know why things are not working right. Why would things work right when you forget your tradition? Why would things work right when you forget your tradition? Don't neglect some of the traditions you say. We are Africa. Whether you like it or not, you kabash or not, you pray 24/7 or not, we are Africa. Where for they come deep past where we they see now. Some of una, even before una born, they don't dedicate una give ancestral spirits. Some of una, before una even born, they don't carry una dedicate give una deities. Then from there, your mom call no Christianity. Call carry people for inside Christianity. And you now, they say, why am I praying? Things are not moving right. Once in a while, bad spirituality come off for body. Normally, I was not supposed to share all this with you guys. But it's good to share. Most times, after sharing my spirituality life with you guys, I know what I passed through. But it's good to share. I don't feel just come camera that show you momhood. A lot of people will not show you momhood. And worry about if you are battling about things. You dey pray. Go to my previous video, you go see belief there. How to manifest, how to pray your things out. How to get those things where they hinder you. If I tell you make you join my private chat now, you will not join. Go there, ladies are manifesting. Ladies are achieving. You cannot follow Box Mom and Miss Road. Except your heart dark. If you dey follow me, your heart's not pure. If I close my eye, I go no. In this life, let your hearts be pure. If you dey serve God Almighty, you dey serve Him. Your heart's not pure. If you even dey pray, prayer not go answer. When things are not going right for you, look back to where you are coming from. Try to search your past history. And if you see your garlic, if you dey follow my tips, you see your garlic grow like this, dance. Dance. Okay? So I decided to answer the lady. Though I don't tell her, I can't make I still do video. Make I still like tell people in case you see things like this. Don't be scared. It's a breakthrough. It's a breakthrough. All right. Love you all. Thanks for watching. I remain your Reality with Box Mom. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on your bell. Now make me tell you, say, you no feel subscribe to my channel and stay like that. No. You no feel subscribe to my channel and you not get one or two things. No. If you get any barrier, anything you know say they cause you barrier, or you get what you they pray for, if you go place that they reject you, if you go place that they reject you, do this thing where I talk last. Scrape your garlic inside your water, put your salt, pour the garlic inside. It dey smell fine. Get a good perf. After you don't use and bath, use another clean water bath. And mind you, not use soap. Oh. If you know say you want use soap bath, you first use the soap bath, clean your body before you use your garlic bath. 12 o'clock in the night. 12 o'clock in the night. They will not reject you. They can. And above all, let your heart be pure. Speak no evil. Think no evil. Wish no evil to anybody. That is it. Okay, guys, let me go and freshen up and tidying up the house. Make sure everywhere is neat. I'll see you guys for more videos. Share this video. I remain your Reality with Box Mom. Hope you enjoyed this video.